Hi, this is Deb Nettles, and you are listening to Banish Bruxism, a hypnosis recording focused on eliminating teeth grinding and clenching that commonly occurs while sleeping. This recording is best when listened to through headphones. And if you are ready, then let's get started. I know that sometimes it is difficult to relax or to learn how to relax more than you have before. And so, as you sit there with your eyes closed and begin to become aware of your own thoughts, of your own sensations, I begin to wonder if you have ever had the pleasure of sitting on the bank of a river or on the shore of a lake or ocean. Because there is something very comforting about just sitting there, listening to the peaceful sound of the waves as they move in and out in a continuous flow that just seems to go on and on. Relaxing in the sun, feeling the soothing warmth, and just letting the mind drift effortlessly with that quiet, almost silent sound in the background of awareness. I'm not even sure you've ever done that before, relaxed in that way, listening to the peaceful quietness of water washing the shore. Perhaps it was a waterfall, or just a silent place in the center of the woods, a happy memory of contentment, or just a dream of a place so comfortable and safe that it was easy to allow the body to relax, everything to relax. I don't know, but I do know that everyone has a place they can go to, a relaxing space deep down inside where they can really let go of all their cares and concerns and wonder at the wonder of those waves of relaxation, the smooth heaviness of arms and legs as relaxation continues. Maybe it was the warm smoothness of the soft white sand. You can hold it in your hand and watch it flow effortlessly through your fingers. The same sand that flows in an hourglass, hour after hour, with nothing to do for a time except let go and flow. Warm, heavy sand, listening to the waves of relaxation, secure inside and out, while you were sitting there by the shore, forgetting to make the effort it takes to even try to be aware of when or where that relaxation began and the soothing sounds or sensations were. You may already be feeling more relaxed, but I doubt that you notice any other changes. I'd like you to notice, though, if you're surprised by anything else you may notice. Okay then. The really best way to begin feeling more comfortable is to just begin by sitting as comfortably as you can right now. Go ahead and adjust yourself in the most comfortable position you like. That's fine. Now I'd like you to notice how much more comfortable you can feel by just taking one very big, deep, satisfying breath in. Go ahead. Big, deep, satisfying breath. And release it slowly. You may already notice how good that feels. How warm your neck and shoulders can feel. Now then, I'd like you to take 4 more very deep, very comfortable breaths. And as you exhale, just notice how comfortable your shoulders can become. And notice how comfortable your eyes feel while they're closed. and just let them stay closed. That's right, just notice that. And notice too how when you exhale, you can just feel that relaxation beginning to sink in. Good. Now, as you continue breathing comfortably and deeply and rhythmically, all I'd like you to do is to picture in your mind, just imagine a staircase, any kind you like, with 20 steps, and you are at the top. Now you don't need to see all 20 steps at once. You can see all or any of the staircase any way you like. That's fine. Just notice yourself at the top of the staircase and the step that you're on and any others you like. However you see it is fine. Now, in a moment, but not yet, I'm going to begin to count out loud from 20 down to 1, and, as you may already have guessed, as I count each number, I'd like you to take a step down the staircase. See yourself stepping down. Feel yourself stepping down. One step for each number I count. And all you need to do is notice, just notice how much more comfortable and relaxed you can feel at each step as you go down the staircase. One step for each number I count. The smaller the number, the further down the staircase. The further down the staircase, the more comfortable and relaxed you can feel. One step for each number. All right, you can begin to get ready. Now I'm going to begin. 20. First step down the staircase. 19. Another step down the staircase. That's fine. 18. Stepping down again. Another step on the staircase, and maybe you already notice how much more relaxed you can feel. I wonder if there are places in your body that feel more relaxed than others. Perhaps your shoulders feel more relaxed than your neck. Perhaps your legs feel more relaxed than your arms. I don't know, and it really doesn't matter. All that matters is that you feel more comfortable. That's all. 17. Another step down on the staircase. Perhaps feeling already places in your body beginning to relax. I wonder if the deep, relaxing, restful heaviness in your forehead is already beginning to spread and flow down across your eyes, across your face, around your mouth and jaw, down through your neck, deep, restful, heavy. 16, a quarter of the way down, and already beginning perhaps to really, really enjoy your relaxation and comfort. 15, 6 steps down on the staircase, perhaps beginning to notice that the sounds which were distracting become less so, that all the sounds you can hear become a part of your experience of comfort and relaxation. Anything you can notice becomes a part of your experience of comfort and relaxation. 14, another step down the staircase. That's fine. Perhaps noticing the heavy, restful, comfortable, relaxing feeling spreading down into your shoulders, into your arms. I wonder if you notice one arm feeling heavier than another. Perhaps your left arm feels a bit heavier than your right. Perhaps your right arm feels heavier than your left. I don't know. Perhaps they both feel equally comfortably heavy. It really doesn't matter. Just letting yourself become more and more aware of that comfortable heaviness. Or is it a feeling of lightness? I really don't know, and it really doesn't matter. 13. Another step. Perhaps noticing that even as you relax, you feel your heartbeat. Perhaps you notice the tingling in your fingers. Perhaps wondering about some fluttering in your heavy eyelids. 12. Take another step down, breathing comfortably, slowly and deeply, restful, noticing that heaviness really beginning to sink in as you continue to notice the pleasant, restful, comfortable relaxation just spread through your body. 11. Halfway to the bottom of the staircase, wondering perhaps what might be happening. Perhaps wondering if anything at all is happening. And yet, knowing that it really doesn't matter. Feeling so pleasantly restful, just continuing to notice the growing, spreading, comfortable relaxation. 10. Noticing maybe that you feel increasingly heavy, more and more comfortable. There is nothing to bother you, nothing to disturb you as you become deeper and deeper relaxed. 9. I wonder if you notice how easy you can hear the sound of my voice. How easily you can understand the words that I say, with nothing to bother you, nothing to disturb you. 8. Feeling more and more the real enjoyment of this relaxation and comfort. 7. Notice perhaps the sinking, restful pleasantness as your body seems to just sink down deeper and deeper, as though you are completely supported and cradled comfortably and warmly. 6. 3/4 of the way down the staircase. Deeper and deeper relaxed. Absolutely nothing at all to do, but just enjoy yourself. 5. Take another step down the staircase, wondering perhaps what to experience at the bottom of the staircase, and yet knowing how much more ready you already feel to become deeper and deeper relaxed, more and more comfortable, with nothing to bother you, nothing to disturb you. 4. Closer and closer to the bottom, perhaps feeling your heartbeat, perhaps feeling the heaviness in your arms and legs become even more clearly comfortable, knowing that nothing really matters except your enjoyment and your experience. Comfortable relaxation with nothing to bother you, and nothing to disturb you. 3, almost to the bottom. As you continue to go deeper and deeper relaxed, heavy, comfortable, restful, relaxed, nothing really to do, no one to please, no one to satisfy, just to notice how very comfortable and happy you can feel. And continue to feel as you continue to breathe slowly, comfortably, restfully. 2, almost to the bottom. Nothing to bother you, nothing to disturb you as you continue to feel more and more comfortable, relaxed, sedated, calm, secure, just noticing it. And now, 1, bottom of the staircase, deeply, deeply relaxed, deeper with every breath you take. I'm going to talk to you for a moment about something you already know a lot about. Remembering and forgetting. You know a lot about it because we all do a lot of it. Every moment of every day you remember, and then you forget, so you can remember something else. You can't remember everything all at once, so you just let some memories move quietly to the back of your mind. I wonder, for instance, if you remember what you had for lunch yesterday. I would guess that with not too much effort, you can remember what you had for lunch yesterday. And yet, I wonder if you can remember what you had for lunch a month ago today. I would guess the effort is really too great to dig up that memory, though of course it is there, somewhere deep in the back of your mind. No need to remember, so you don't. And I wonder if you'll be pleased to notice that the things you hear now, today, with your eyes closed, things which you'll remember tomorrow, or the next day, the next week. I wonder if you'll decide to let that memory of these things be quietly in the back of your mind, or if you'll remember gradually, a bit at a time, or perhaps all at once. It really doesn't matter. Doesn't matter at all. Whatever you do, however you choose to remember, is just fine. Absolutely natural. Doesn't matter at all. Whether you remember tomorrow or the next day, whether you remember all at once or gradually, it really doesn't matter at all. And I wonder if you'll be pleased to notice that today, as you rest very comfortably, and any day, whenever you feel yourself resting this deeply, that you will notice that your teeth do not touch. There is a comfortable gap between your teeth. Your jaw is relaxed. You'll feel reminded of how very comfortable you are feeling right now. Even more comfortable than you feel now. Comfortable, relaxed, jaw relaxed, comfortable space between your teeth. I want to remind you that whenever you feel this comfortable, as if you were going to drift off into sleep, it will be that comfortable space between your teeth. Your jaw will be very relaxed. Stressful situations occur every day, which may cause us to grind our teeth. Whenever one of these anxiety-producing events happens or is going to happen, such as an extremely hard examination, a difference of opinion with a friend, co-worker, or family member, a difficult decision, you unconsciously grind your teeth. Now you have a way of handling the situation by keeping just enough nervous energy to deal with the task perfectly, and then letting go of excess tension. When you drift off to sleep at night, you can say to yourself something like, "Nothing is important enough in life to grind me down." Most teeth grinding happens during the night because the subconscious mind remembers the stressful or anxiety-producing situations which have occurred during the day or threaten to occur in the near future, and replays them many times during the night. During the night, the abnormal touch of your teeth will waken you. You'll realize your subconscious mind is protecting you. You'll relax your jaw and go right back to sleep, losing no sleep at all. Whenever you grind your teeth or tighten your cheek muscles, you will want to keep your mouth slightly open, wide enough to place your tongue between your back teeth. This will help your muscles to become loose. This will stop your muscles from cramping. The longer your tongue stays between your teeth, the more your muscles will become loose, limp, and relaxed. It's so nice when you are feeling tired to rest your head and drift down into a nice, deep, comfortable sleep. And whenever you go into a deep, sound sleep, there is the possibility that this night, or next night, or that this week or the next week, you will grind your teeth. But from now on, whenever that does occur, you will immediately waken and relax your jaw before drifting back into that nice, deep, comfortable sleep. Aware of the comfortable feeling you experience when there is an appropriate space between your teeth. It's good to let go and relax. Relaxation is something that now comes naturally to you. Letting go of tension is as easy as can be. Each time you feel and experience that sense of letting go, you deepen that calm and relaxing feeling. And now, as you continue to enjoy your comfortable relaxation, I'd like you to notice how very nice it feels to be this way, to really enjoy your own experience, to really enjoy the feelings your body can give you. And in a moment, but not yet, not until you're ready, but in a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 5. Now, if you are listening to this at night and wish to go off into a nice, deep, comfortable sleep, you will do so. However, if you would like to awaken and continue with your day at the number 5, you will be wide awake. The choice is yours. With each number I count, if you choose to be awake, the more alert you will become. When I reach number 4, your eyes will be almost ready to open, and when I reach 5, they will have opened and you will be alert, awake, refreshed, perhaps as though you have had a nice nap. Alert, refreshed, comfortable, and even though you'll still be in a very comfortable and relaxed space, you'll be alert and feeling very well. Perhaps surprised, but feeling very well. 1. That's right. Feel yourself coming back. 2. Feel yourself become more and more alert, comfortable, but more and more alert. That's right. 3. Wiggle your fingers and toes to bring movement back to your body. 4. And 5. That's right. Wide awake, alert, relaxed, and refreshed.